Assalamualaikum. We from Eudaimonia. Our group consists of 5 members, which is Ahmad Amiruddin, Amethysta, Nurul Najiha, Zuraida, and me myself, Hazlina. The topic we chose is obsessive compulsive disorder, which is known as OCD. I have done the posters and we have divided the parts into 4 parts, which is the intro, the meaning, the symptoms, the cause, and the treatment. The other part will be presented by my other friends. Thank you.
Hi and hello. Our group will be starting off for our presentation. Our group consists of me, Zuraida, Hazlina, Nurul Naziha, Amethysta, and Amiruddin. We are going to present about OCD. What is OCD? OCD is obsessive compulsive disorder. OCD is a mental illness that cause repeated unwanted thoughts or obsessions or the urge to do something over and over again, which is compulsions. Some people can have both compulsions and obsessions. And obsessive thoughts can be some colors of good or bad. But compulsive habits might be to wash your hands 7 times after touching something that could be dirty. Everyone has habits or thoughts that repeat sometimes. People with OCD have thoughts or actions that take up at least an hour a day, are beyond your control, aren't enjoyable, and interfere your work, your social life, and another part of life. So, I will pass the presentation to the next presenter, which is Najiha. Najiha will expand about the symptoms of OCD. Thank you.
So my name is Najiha and I will be presenting about the syndromes in OCD. So the first one is excessive double checking of things. For example, when someone always check if they have already locked their door or switch off their fans or lights, and then repeatedly checking in loved ones to make sure they are safe, counting and tapping senselessly just to reduce their anxiety, such as tapping fingernails or playing with paints, and then spending a lot of time of washing or cleaning, because some OCD people feel if they already wash their hand, they feel like their hand are still have germs, so they will wash and wash again. And then ordering or arranging things, because OCD people love to see things in order, either by colors or sizes, and praying excessively or engaging in ritual triggered by religious fear, and also accumulating junk such as old newspaper or empty food containers. So that's all from me, and I'll be passed to my next presenter. Thank you.
Okay, today I will be presenting about the causes of OCD. There are 4 causes of OCD. The first is OCD may causes by genetic and hereditary. It means it was biologically and it was by humans being. The second one is compulsions are learned behaviors which become repetitive and habitual when they are associated with relief and anxiety. The third is functional abnormalities, chemical and structural of the brain may be causes of the OCD. And the last one is misinterpret beliefs lead to the symptoms associated with the anxiety. That's all from me. Thank you.
I'll be doing the proposed solution, which or known as treatment. Treatment would be the compulsory for individual who are diagnosed with OCD, and there are several treatments available. One of the most effective, according to some professionals, is the cognitive behavior therapy and medication. The result of the treatment might be not 100% cured, but it could keep the symptoms under control. The most effective ones for cognitive behavior therapy is a component called exposure and response prevention, or known as ERP. This treatment takes practice and effort to overcome the fear of someone in terms of their obsession and compulsive ritual. This therapy can be held through video conferencing, either in a support group or individual with the professional involved, and this is called teletherapy. This is very convenient to hold a therapy via online, especially with a pandemic going around that prevent us to have a close contact with others to stop the spread of the virus. This is where gadgets took the role in our advanced era. Besides therapy, medication are also used to treat patients with OCD. The types of medication taken are depending on the age of the individuals taking it. The medications are clomipramine for adults and children 10 years and older, fluoxetine for adults and children 7 years and older, fluvoxamine for adults and children 8 years and older, paroxetine for adults only, and sertraline for adults and children 6 years and older. Other types of treatments are also recommended and considered by some professionals, which are intensive, outpatient, and residential treatment program, deep brain stimulation, or known as DBS, and transcranial magnetic stimulation, or known as TMS. That is all for the treatments that can be proposed for the solution. Thank you.